Today I'm checking out this rechargeable handheld pool vacuum by Pool Sky. This was sent to me at no cost, so I can do this review. Let's get this thing out of the box, see everything it comes with, and test it out in the pool. All right, so this is everything that was in the box. Some of the things I noticed just right off the bat is a lot of times these vacuum cleaners that are like this for your pool do not come with a pool stick. They expect you to use the pool stick that you already have. It does have your standard bottom vacuum attachment here, but it also has this little scrub brush attachment here. So that's pretty cool too. We do not have this attachment with ours, and this would probably be really good for getting into some of those tight corners we have in our hot tub. So I like that. That's the power cord. Here is the manual that comes with it, and it has a removable catch bag in here that you use. So I like everything so far, and I do need to get this charged up before the first time we use it, so I'm gonna plug it in. All right, so I got the battery fully charged up. Now what it did come with extra that I didn't notice before is it does have two bags. So one bag was already actually installed in the vacuum, and you have a spare bag in case, tear it accidentally or whatever, or in case you fill one up and you just want to throw the other one in there and not clean it yet, you have two bags. Now that I've got it charged up, went through the manual and everything, I'm going to go ahead and take this outside and we're going to test it in the pool. Another little note that I wanted to say was there's not really a light on the actual vacuum cleaner itself, but there is a light on the charger. So when you plug this in to charge it, you'll notice that there's a little LED here. When it's red, it's charging, and when it's green, it's fully charged. So let's get this thing in the pool. So we've got some sun today, got a break from the rain. I'm gonna go ahead and take this pool vacuum and vacuum up some of the leaves and debris that has went into the pool, and we're gonna see just how well it does. All right, so we vacuumed some out of the pool. As you can see, it collects it right here in the collection area. So we're gonna go ahead and take this apart and rinse that out. All right, so we took the end of it off here, and as you can see, look at all of that it picked up there, and there's still more here. It really picked up quite a bit for that short amount of time that we were cleaning. There's even some in here, a little bit, not much. We're gonna go ahead and rinse it out with the water hose. Just as simple as washing it out with the water hose. We'll be good to go. We also got the net rinsed out, really nice and clean. And the pool vac, we got it washed out and clean. So now we're just gonna put it all together. So yeah, it's a great little pool vac. I love the fact that it comes with its own pool pole, so you don't have to mess around with unhooking other things to hook it on here. This just comes with it. And the fact that you can adjust it. It picks up well. It gets in the corners well with this, V-shaped front end here. Definitely think it's a good little vacuum if you need something like this. I hope this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.